Did you know that a simple glass of clove water could be the secret weapon your body needs to fight inflammation, improve digestion, and even boost your immune system? It may sound surprising, but this ancient remedy, often overlooked in modern times, is packed with powerful compounds that may transform your health. Clove water is made by steeping dried cloves in water, unlocking their natural goodness. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and essential oils, this easy-to-make drink works wonders for your body in ways you might not expect. In this video, we will tell you about 10 amazing benefits of drinking clove water that impact different systems in your body, from digestion and circulation to your immune defenses. As always, consult your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your routine. Stay tuned until the end of the video to learn the right way to drink clove water for maximum benefits. Now let's get started. 1. Improves digestion. When you consume clove water, the body begins to benefit from its unique elements, each playing a distinct role in supporting a smooth and efficient digestive process. Eugenol is a bioactive compound in cloves that acts as a natural stimulant for digestive enzymes. These enzymes are essential for breaking down food into nutrients your body may absorb. Eugenol doesn't just assist with digestion, it also helps calm the stomach lining, reducing irritation that often leads to bloating and discomfort. By encouraging the efficient breakdown of food and soothing the gut, it sets the stage for a more comfortable and effective digestive experience. Along with that, the soluble fibers present in clove water promote a healthy gut microbiome by feeding the beneficial bacteria that aid digestion. A balanced microbiome not only supports better digestion, but also improves nutrient absorption, ensuring your body gets the most out of every meal. Furthermore, volatile oils in cloves, which are released during the infusion process, play a critical role in reducing harmful bacteria in the digestive tract. These oils have antimicrobial properties that target and eliminate the bacteria responsible for common issues like indigestion and stomach infections. By creating a healthier internal environment, the digestive system works more efficiently without interference from harmful pathogens. According to PubMed, cloves boiled in water have been used for a long time to treat stomach and intestinal problems. 2. Boosts immunity. One of the star players in clove water's immune-boosting properties is vitamin C, a potent antioxidant naturally present in cloves. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in stimulating the production of white blood cells, which are your body's primary defense against infections and illnesses. It doesn't stop there. It also helps protect these cells from oxidative damage, ensuring they remain efficient in fighting off pathogens like viruses and bacteria. This dual action makes vitamin C an essential element for immunity. Moreover, we have flavonoids, another powerful compound in clove water that offers anti-inflammatory and antiviral benefits. These compounds help modulate the body's immune response by reducing chronic inflammation, which often weakens your immune defenses over time. Flavonoids also enhance the activity of immune cells, ensuring they respond quickly and effectively when a threat arises, keeping you better protected against seasonal illnesses and everyday infections. In addition to that, tannins, naturally occurring in cloves, contribute to boosting immunity by acting as antimicrobial agents. These compounds help create an inhospitable environment for harmful bacteria and fungi, reducing the burden on your immune system. By keeping microbial intruders at bay, tannins ensure your body may focus on maintaining optimal immunity without being constantly overburdened by external threats. 3. Supports oral health. Drinking clove water is a game changer for oral health, providing natural and effective support to keep your mouth healthy and fresh. It works on multiple levels, targeting the underlying causes of common dental issues while offering relief and protection. The secret lies in the unique components of cloves, each playing a critical role in maintaining oral hygiene. Moreover, oleic acid found in clove helps eliminate harmful bacteria in the mouth that are responsible for bad breath, cavities, and gum infections. This not only prevents dental problems, but also promotes a balanced oral microbiome, which is essential for overall oral health. By drinking clove water regularly, you're essentially giving your mouth a gentle rinse that fights off bacteria naturally. Another unique contributor is calcium, found in small but impactful amounts in cloves. Calcium supports the structural integrity of your teeth by strengthening enamel, the protective outer layer that guards against decay. With stronger enamel, your teeth are better equipped to withstand acid attacks from food and beverages, reducing the risk of cavities over time. Additionally, methanol extracts released from cloves during the infusion process offer anti-inflammatory benefits that soothe swollen or irritated gums. Gum inflammation is a common issue caused by bacterial buildup or conditions like gingivitis, and these extracts work to reduce swelling and discomfort, promoting faster healing. This makes clove water a gentle yet powerful remedy for maintaining healthy gums and preventing periodontal diseases. In a study published in PubMed, clove oil was the only natural plant that significantly reduced the number of germs that cause cavities. 4. AIDS respiratory health. A critical component in cloves is beta-caryophyllene, a natural terpene that acts as an anti-inflammatory agent. When inflammation occurs in the airways, whether due to allergies, asthma, or respiratory infections, it restricts airflow and makes breathing difficult. Beta-caryophyllene works to reduce this inflammation, soothing the linings of the airways and allowing for smoother passage of oxygen. This reduction in swelling is vital for conditions like bronchitis or even seasonal colds, providing a natural, soothing relief. Kaempferol, a strong flavonoid found in cloves, is another great compound that helps get rid of mucus buildup. Mucus in the respiratory tract often traps pathogens and irritants, but when it accumulates excessively, it may obstruct breathing and lead to infections. Kaempferol supports the body's natural ability to break down and expel this mucus, ensuring the respiratory system stays clear and free-flowing. By keeping the airways open, it enhances lung capacity and overall breathing efficiency. Additionally, the presence of eugenol acetate, a volatile compound found in cloves, brings about antimicrobial benefits that protect the respiratory tract from infections. This compound actively combats airborne pathogens, reducing the risk of infections that may lead to coughing fits or chronic respiratory issues. By creating an environment inhospitable to bacteria and viruses, eugenol acetate plays a crucial role in maintaining long-term respiratory health. 5. Enhances blood circulation. Drinking clove water plays an essential role in enhancing blood circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients more efficiently to every part of your body. Cloves contain potassium, an important mineral that helps keep blood pressure in check. Potassium helps relax the walls of blood vessels, reducing strain on the heart and promoting smoother blood flow. This relaxation of the vascular system is critical in preventing high blood pressure, a common condition that interferes with proper circulation. By ensuring that your blood vessels remain flexible and open, potassium contributes directly to a healthier circulatory system. Vitamin K is another amazing compound that is very important for blood circulation and clotting. While this vitamin is often overlooked, it's essential for maintaining proper blood consistency and preventing clot-related issues. Drinking clove water ensures that your body has a balanced level of vitamin K, helping to avoid blockages that could disrupt circulation while allowing blood to move freely through the arteries and veins. Apart from that, iron in cloves acts as a powerful enhancer of blood quality and circulation. Iron is a critical component of hemoglobin, the molecule responsible for carrying oxygen in your red blood cells. By improving the oxygen-carrying capacity of your blood, iron ensures that every organ and tissue receives the nourishment it needs. Better oxygen delivery translates to improved energy levels and overall bodily function, driven by a more robust and efficient circulatory system. 6. Regulates blood sugar. The compounds in cloves work in harmony with the body's metabolic processes to stabilize blood sugar and improve how your body handles carbohydrates. This intricate mechanism begins the moment clove water is absorbed, with its unique bioactive elements taking charge. Manganese, a trace mineral that is very important for glucose metabolism, is one of the most important parts of cloves. Manganese supports the activation of enzymes responsible for breaking down carbohydrates, ensuring that sugar is processed efficiently and doesn't linger in the bloodstream. This helps prevent dangerous blood sugar spikes after meals, making it particularly beneficial for individuals managing diabetes or prediabetes. Moreover, polyphenols are abundant in cloves and known for their ability to enhance insulin sensitivity. These antioxidants improve the efficiency of insulin, the hormone that regulates blood sugar, by facilitating the uptake of glucose into cells. With better insulin sensitivity, your body may manage blood sugar more effectively, reducing the risk of insulin resistance, a condition often linked to type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, eugenol, a bioactive compound that reduces inflammation, is an important part. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to impaired insulin function and erratic blood sugar levels. By reducing inflammation, eugenol helps protect pancreatic cells which produce insulin, ensuring they function optimally. This not only supports immediate blood sugar control, but also preserves the long-term health of your endocrine system. PubMed has a 30-day study that shows that people with and without prediabetes who took 250 milligrams of clove extract every day had much lower blood sugar levels after meals. 7. Promotes radiant skin. Drinking clove water is a game changer for achieving radiant skin. Working from within to address the root causes of dullness, blemishes, and uneven texture. Quercetin, a strong antioxidant that fights free radical damage, is one of the most important parts of cloves. Free radicals are unstable molecules caused by environmental factors like pollution and UV rays, and they are a major culprit behind premature aging, fine lines, and wrinkles. Quercetin neutralizes these free radicals, protecting your skin cells from oxidative stress. This creates a foundation for smoother, younger-looking skin that radiates health. Essential oils are another interesting part. They are naturally released into clove water when it is infused. These oils are packed with antimicrobial properties, which work internally to combat toxins and bacteria that may trigger acne and skin irritation. By purifying the blood and reducing the presence of harmful microbes, clove water helps prevent breakouts, leaving your skin clearer and more even-toned over time. Beta-sitosterol is another important compound that comes from plants and helps keep skin moist and flexible. Beta-sitosterol promotes the production of collagen, a protein that keeps your skin firm, plump, and supple. Drinking clove water regularly ensures that your skin remains well-nourished from the inside, reducing the appearance of dryness and enhancing its natural glow. 8. Reduces inflammation and pain. The National Library of Medicine has confirmed that clove water's anti-inflammatory effects come from natural anti-inflammatory compounds found in cloves, like eugenol and flavonoids. Once consumed, the nutrients in clove water begin to work their magic by addressing inflammation at a cellular level and interacting with your body's pain response mechanisms. This dynamic effect stems from several distinct components of cloves, each playing a vital role in delivering relief. One of the most influential compounds in clove water is gallic acid, a natural